Need to add page numbers to a PDF for better organization and easier navigation. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple way to insert page numbers into a PDF. Run SwifDoo PDF on your computer. Click Open to select and import the PDF file you need to add page numbers. Switch to the Page tab. Click Page Number and select Add Page Numbers. Adjust the page number settings. For instance, you can select the desired page number format, position, font size, and alignment. Then, click OK to confirm the changes.
Now, view the PDF pages with page numbers.
At last, click the Save icon to save the PDF file. Thanks for watching. You can also find other useful videos in our playlist.